You've never tried sushi like this before. Sweet, tangy, unexpected. This kiwi sauce is about to change your sushi game forever. Fresh kiwi, plus a hint of mint, plus a touch of soy. Drizzle it on rolls and boom, fusion magic. Would you try this combo or is it too wild? Cut kiwi into cubes. Jalapenos a little spicy. Add into the blender together with mint leaves. Blender it well. Strain using a strainer. Transfer in a measuring pitcher. It's about 450 milliliters now. I will add xantana powder, 3 to 4 grams. Blend it again using a hand blender. Transfer in a sauce pot. You can add sugar. The sweetness, it's up to you. Watch carefully. Preheat until start boiling. Turn off the flame. Then leave in a freezer or fridge until becomes solid. As you can see, sauce becomes solid. Now strain it again. And that's how you turn sushi into something only unforgettable. Sweet, savory, with a little kick. Kiwi sauce just works. Subscribe for more wild sushi combos. Next one might be even crazier.